Welcome to RAM Antivirus. RAM Antivirus uses artificial intelligence and cloud-based ML-driven predictive threat detection technology for protection against newborn malware and ransomware variants. We provide quick scan, full scan and custom scan. In customs you can scan any particular file. Scanning can be done in the background. My Cleaner optimize computer speed by cleaning unwanted junk files and temporary files. Registry Cleaner removes unwanted registry entries which improve the speed of the computer. Browser Cleanup fix all browser-related issues. Software tools help to uninstall any particular program from the computer. Application Scanner uses whitelisting approach to detect all the unknown applications present in computer. User can whitelist or remove certain application. Parental Control restricts unwanted websites and provides internet blocking feature. My account shows all of the subscription details about the antivirus software. View report indicates the running status of important features. In settings, user can enable or disable certain feature from PC, web and advanced settings. User can contact support team through any option displayed on gray color bar. User can surf safely with safe surfing.